guys, just a video on the MR Triton tub cage. As you can see here, all the quality. You can also put roof cage on the top if you want to carry stuff. All the doors are reinforced inside, as well as the inside of the top part of the. You can also add in the future, we've got soon coming up, doors so you can have glass, not glass, well, perspex, but the good thing about it is that you won't be able to break it. Just press lock. All shocks. Shocks are very, very strong. That's the quality. That's from OZI4X4. Give us a call on 1300 494 1300 694 494, sorry, or buy it on the website.